What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we have a little testing video today on the good old F150, and today we are going to be testing the Pmas cold air intake. So right now this truck is basically stock, man. It just has a tune only and it has some free flowing exhaust, but everything motor wise is stock intake manifolds, stock cold air, stock exhaust manifolds, you know, stock everything. So we're gonna do a little Draggy hit stock, and the truck is tuned on flex for E85, and right now we have about E77 in the tank. So it's full tank, 64 degrees outside, and you guys will see that on the Draggy. So we'll do a quarter mile hit, but this truck is a two-wheel drive, so I'm pretty sure we're not gonna get any traction. So our factor that is going to be kind of the same is going to be our 60 to 100. So we're going to see if that changes with the Pmas, and see if we pick up some mile an hour in the quarter mile with the Pmas cold air intake. I'm curious to see if a cold air does anything. So yeah, man, I just wanted to let you guys know that the stock air box, which I'm not sure if it's right on these F150s, but I've been comparing data when it's cold, when outside, when it's not, because South Texas, it doesn't really get this cold. But I've been taking some photos and I'll post them up on the screen. When it was 41 degrees outside, the IAT was 66 degrees, so about 20 degrees difference, and that's because it's 40 degrees outside, which is crazy, and that's going freeway speed. So all that 40 degree air is going inside the engine and it's just holding that 66 degrees IAT. So even when it was 38 degrees outside, you guys will see I posted up 38 degrees outside, highway temp coming home from work was 55 IAT. So yeah, man, we're gonna see if the Pmas changes that 20 degree difference between IAT and ambient temp. I don't know if it will change it, we will see, but the big factor is going to be that big tubing. It's a lot bigger than the stock tubing, so hopefully, you know, that helps airflow, which creates more horsepower. So let's get out there to Mexico, and we'll make a little quick hit, come back, install the Pmas, same day, same temperatures, same, you know, everything. We have a full tank of E85, and you know, we're just gonna change the intake, get back out there, go make a hit, and see what it does.
Quarter mile.
Alright guys, well there you go. Baseline is 14.3 at 97 miles an hour, which is surprising. These 20-inch wheels that I put on the truck definitely made a difference, because we did a 13.7 on the smaller wheel and tire combo. Those tires were like 26 inches on the stock 17s, and I know those stock 17s are pretty lightweight, so we might get our hands on another set of those and then put like a Hoosier slick on the back or something, because at 2.3 60 foot, as you guys saw, it's no bueno. I can't even install up the converter at all, because it will just spin like crazy. So that's just basically leaving on the foot brake and, you know, full throttle mashing the gas. So we have a baseline, and our 60 to 100 is like 9 seconds or something like that, so we will compare it back to back. So let's go ahead and install this Pmas and see what it does. As you guys can tell, the IAT was close to 100 degrees, and that's not good. And we were driving around at 60 miles an hour trying to get that IAT down, because when I left here it was like 120. So it went down to where it was, and that's all I could get it in this weather. So let's see what the Pmas does. Alright guys, so coming to you on the iPhone, I went ahead and, since I was letting the truck cool down, I went ahead and did an oil change real quick. Obviously shouldn't affect the ET, but we got the Pmas cold air intake installed now, and we're gonna go head out there and do another lick and see what it does. See if we picked up any power, guys. So let's go get it. Similar IAT, 95 degrees. Oh, Okay. Blew the tires off. Blew the tires off. Alright,
I was kidding.
Can you stop? Wifey goals. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the video. Just a little recap on what's going on. The truck actually picked up a lot of power, which is crazy. We went from a 1437 to a 1412, and we went from 97 miles an hour to 99, which is crazy. It actually picked up in the eighth too. It went from a 932 at 77 to a 916 at 79. So it picked up a lot of power in the quarter mile, and it actually went from a 928 60 to 100 to an 868. So this Pmas actually really surprised me. I didn't expect this much gains, especially 7, 8, 9, 2 mile per hour in the quarter mile, which it's a pretty good difference with just an cold air intake, which is crazy. And the DA was actually worse on the 1437 compared to the 1412. It was a negative 277 feet, and the next one was negative 190 feet. So yeah, definitely a +1 for the Pmas. I'm really happy that I bought it. I didn't spend the 300 that it cost. I got it for 170, so almost half off. I got it used piece, guys. Get it used if you can, because that thing is pretty expensive. But yeah, man, I mean, this is just the beginning for the truck. We already have the 18 manifold on the way, so we will do some more testing with that. We're gonna lock out the IMRCs and get filled tuned for that, and we will see what the truck picks up then. Probably gonna do some long tube headers sometime in the future, and I'm not going the NA route. I'm just setting the truck up for boost or nitrous in the future, which is probably going to do nitrous for a little bit. So with the 18 manifold and long tubes, it's going to be a perfect combination for the nitrous, and especially with the centrifugal, which that's what I want to put on the truck. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this one, please drop a thumbs up on the video, and please drop a comment down below if you guys enjoyed it. This one was really fun to make. I want to keep on modding the truck and keep on doing, fun things to the truck. So yeah, thanks for the wifey holding the light.
Arm's dying.
If you guys enjoyed this one, please drop a like I said. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
My arms are on fire.
You're about to get baptized.